business planning.
In the business planning module of EDUardo, you'll gain practical experience in putting together a numerical business plan for a fintech enterprise.
This module goes beyond simply reading about how to make a business plan, providing you with a hands-on, practical learning case study that will help you develop your skills as an entrepreneur. Through this program, you'll face the challenges of a changing business environment and learn how to adjust your business plans accordingly. You'll also learn how to correct your financial forecast and develop a deeper understanding of the financial implications of your business decisions.
But that's not all. This module also offers you the opportunity to experiment with creating a sales strategy, making product development decisions, setting pricing, managing marketing activities, and learning about market segmentation. You'll have the chance to apply your knowledge in a real-world setting, allowing you to gain valuable insights into the workings of a successful fintech enterprise.
Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a small business owner, or someone who wants to learn more about the world of business, this program will provide you with practical skills and knowledge that you can apply to your own ventures. You can find more information at edusimulation.com.